MP Leisemba Sanajaoba led the people in planting 3 saplings at Nongdam Sanglen Pakangba lining coal under Waka in Imphal East District today. The tree sapling plantation program was held as a part of the global campaign Ek Peड़ Maa Ki Naam, launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on World Environment Day, June 5, 2024, under Life Focusing on Greening Earth mission. The tree plantation was organized by Central Range Office DFO Ganesh and officials of Forest Department under the supervision of Union Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Bhupender Yadav. The global campaign aims to plant around 80 crore tree saplings by September 2024 and around 140 crore by March 2025. Devotees of Nongdam Sanglen Pakangba lining coal Waka, students of Kanglei Inat Tangta Sindam Sanglen, and instructors, members of Uttra Sanglen Sana Konung, including club members and locals, attended the program.